Hey guys, I'm Charlotte with East Coast Yacht Sales and welcome aboard the Spirit of Marblehead. She was built in 2002 by Latitude 46 and she's styled after a traditional French commuter boat. Let's hop on board and check out some of her cool features. This cockpit would be a fantastic entertaining space for guests. One of the things I love about this layout is coverage from the sun when you're underway. Let's hop down below. The Spirit of Marblehead was really built for entertaining. We have a very simple galley over here with an isotherm refrigerator and a 2-burner stove, and plenty of seating if you want to be away from the elements. One of her standout features are those beautiful glass windows with beveled edges and carpentry that you don't see in a lot of boats. Forward we have our cabin, and there's an insert here with plenty of room to stretch out for a couple. This is a great sleeping space with lots of natural light and ventilation and plenty of storage. Before we head back up on deck, let's check out our head. We have this beautiful raised glass bowl sink with a faucet that doubles as a shower head. It's not often you find a boat with classic style lines like these and beautiful teak decks. Take a look aft, you can see how awesome the sight lines are from the helm deck. Thanks for joining me on board the Spirit of Marblehead. She really is a unique looking boat with classic French style lines and a lot of awesome features for entertaining. If you have any questions about the details of this boat, please call, text, or email me. My contact information is below this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the water.